Is the microphone working? Why is it sideways? Put it sideways. Okay. So yeah, be sure to sign in. Haven't yet. It's like we haven't had a meeting in so long, but yeah, so give you guys a few minutes to sign in. I'll just throw the link in chat as well. Sure to scan that. Oh, I see that, yeah. Okay, what do we do? How to, oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. Try that now. Yay. Okay. What was that? Hello. I'll keep the QR code for a little longer. Another minute or two. Yes, today we'll be having a LinkedIn workshop. So, like, how many of you have a LinkedIn already? I would hope most of you. All right. Did everyone sign in? I hope so. Because I'm gonna switch to our actual slides. All right. So using LinkedIn to stand out, these are just tips to enhance your profile. I'm not gonna go through the whole like creating your account because I'm sure that is kind of straightforward. These are just gonna be ways to better your profile, make you more attractive to recruiters. So why would you want to use LinkedIn? It's mainly for networking. If you remember from our alumni panel, Shirlene said she got her internship and then full-time offer through networking. So yeah, networking increases visibility, whether it be for you or visibility of you to other people. So when you share posts, then that goes to your network. If they like that post, and it'll go to their network, and just it goes and branches out to everybody. And then also for your visibility, you get to see new technologies, new job openings. And yeah, or like, yeah, someone posts that they're going to a conference and then you want to go to that. Now you can see what they're up to. Okay. And then building a professional support system. Just like how I mentioned that if you're going to a conference and then someone else is going to a conference, you guys could do a little meetup. Or if you start reaching out to like alumni or people higher up in your company, they could act as a mentor for you. And that's really good. Just to have your professional growth monitored like that, holding you accountable. And then also this kind of ties in with the first point, the finding opportunities. So you could learn about conferences, learn about new job openings. Yeah. Yeah, we just saw the FNAF movie, so I just wanted to add that in there. So like, why would you want to have your LinkedIn rather than like having just your resume? Because with your LinkedIn, you can show your personality. And show your okay. I think that's enough but no, I'm here.
The person responsible for these slides.
Me. Unfortunately. Okay. So your profile, this is just what you'll see when, after you make your profile. I'll probably switch like to the actual LinkedIn site to show you guys. But yes, you would want a clear profile picture of you. You also want it to be like an updated picture. I know some people are going towards like AI profile pictures for their LinkedIn's. I don't know. I don't know about that. Because what if it doesn't look like you? That's kind of awkward. Yeah, you just like catfish them. Okay, and then a concise headline. I know some people want to add a lot to their headlines where it'd be like, they'll put where you're interning at, how many scholarships you have, how many hackathons you won, and all of that. But I feel like you should keep it concise just because when you're looking through different profiles, you're not going to see everything that's written there. It's just going to be converted to just like 3 dots. So yeah, keep it concise. Your about me. This one, I know some people like to make it really long and putting their whole backstory, and then putting all their awards in there. It's kind of just up to you on what you would want to put in there. I try to keep it short. Think of it like an elevator pitch. You want to say, a little bit about you, being like your education and such, and then saying what you're doing, what you hope to be doing, your goals. And then also end with like a call to action, being to like connect with you or reach out to you through your email. I think I used to have my email in my about me, but then I kept getting those like phishing emails, and I was like, never mind. And then your experience. I know some people are gonna say like they don't have much experience. But then we'll go about it later that you could put some projects that you're doing as your experience or volunteering as your experience until you build up actual internship or job experience. So education. Some people leave it off, some people keep it on there. It's kind of up to you, but yeah, you could put the clubs that you're involved in, if you want to put like your GPA, and yeah, certifications. I don't have any, but I know a lot of people like to put those on their profiles. They could even post about them. And then projects. You don't need to put like every project you've done, but if you have projects that you want seen on your profile, you could post them on there because you also, from your experience and your projects, you could have the skills section of like what tools you've used in that, and that'll automatically go to the skills section that's like at the bottom. Volunteering is kind of self-explanatory. You just put your volunteering work. I could show my LinkedIn. Oh my goodness. Okay. If I want to sign in front of you guys. Okay. There we go. Here's mine. How you can see all my stuff. Great. Okay, but yeah, I have my profile picture. It's not an update picture of me, but I didn't change that much, so it does look like me. The verification thing is just because I used my school email. And then yeah, I kept my headline pretty concise, just where I'm interning at, where I go to school at. Oh my goodness. Okay. Those don't really matter. My about me, again, I kept it kind of small. And then a call to action, just don't hesitate to connect with me. Yeah, and then post, we could talk about that later. And then here's my experience stuff. Okay, so yeah, where I currently intern at. I know some people put like their resume bullet points in the description parts. I don't do that because then they could just look at your resume, and then also like you link your LinkedIn on your resume. So I feel like it's kind of redundant to put both. But yeah, and then you can put the skills section. I think this is like a new thing. So when you put the skills there, it'll like come here to your skills. So that's cool.
Are those actual pictures when you're chief? When you were at Northern?
Oh, look at
I'm jealous.
that.
I didn't get those pictures.
No. It's okay. I mean, demo day was on my birthday, so I didn't get these pictures either. I just found them in the folder, and I was like, you know what? I worked there. It's fine. Yeah, honestly. Okay, so yeah, I didn't put like everything that I do there. I just say, I just give a brief description. Because like for NGCP, I know people aren't gonna know what that is. So I gave a brief description of what that is and my position there. And then yes, say where I was a web developer, say where I did research, and what the research was about.
How did you get the verification?
The
Did you, yeah,
this one?
check mark, check marks.
Let's see here. I think it was from systems programming where we had to like my professor had us to do LinkedIn Learning a lot. So then with the school you could get free LinkedIn Learning.
Yeah.
So
So
I connected my email to there, and then it was all like, now you're verified because you used your school email. We could also use like your work email. Yeah.
I do that, check mark.
Oh. It's fine.
It's a personal email, you have to enter an ID.
Let's see here. I just want to use my personal email. I don't know. I think it was like through LinkedIn Learning, you could connect it to your profile. So I just did it through there. Oh yeah. Yeah, 700 followers. Okay. Okay, education. I have school years that I attended. I know some people choose to leave that off. But like, yeah, that's a whole thing. Even with resumes, sometimes they leave off the year they graduated just because they don't want recruiters to like look down on them if they're like still in school. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, some people leave off their years. Oh, you don't like our high school?
Say it.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, high school. Like, you could leave that off your resume. I don't know if I want to leave it off my LinkedIn. You could, but sometimes it's a fun conversation starter. Like Kenny Lee, who was in our alumni panel, who like works at Walmart, does technical interviews there. When I first connected with him, he's just there like, so I see you went to San Gabriel High School, and then he went to like one of our rival schools. So I was like, please accept my connection. Okay, projects. I don't have all of my projects. I don't even know if I have these ones on my resume. But these are from hackathons. I have a few other ones. But yeah, these ones pretty cool. Because the runner-up both times. I cannot win, but it's fine. I want other ones. Okay, and the volunteering, this one I still have it like resume bullet points, but that's because on my resume I didn't have room for my volunteering, so I don't have them on there. So I was like, I could squeeze the bullet points onto my LinkedIn. And skills, I don't think anyone really goes down and checks your skills, but I do like adding the skills to, like I said, in the experience sections and I think you could also put skills in your education sections and projects. But yeah, you could get endorsements, and those are pretty cool. I don't know if they help that much. You could also do the skill assessments. I haven't heard anyone say they help them, but it's their recommendations. You could give recommendations people you know or people you've worked with. I have this one with John. Courses. I don't know if courses matter that much. I just put them there to put them there. Honors and awards, those look good. So you can put them there. Yeah, you can see I have my hackathon runner-up award and scholarships that I'm in. And then the organizations, I just have my scholarships. And then interest, yeah, you could follow companies so that'll like cater your feed to post from them. Okay, groups, schools, those don't matter that much. Oh my gosh, you guys can see all my DMs. Okay. All right, let's go back here. So connections, these are people that you should be connecting with. I know some people just go randomly add everyone they see. You could do that too, but like I feel like it's not that genuine. So like you're gonna see them on your feed and you're like, I don't know who you are, but congratulations. So I would say connect with peers from the same school or company that you're in, people in the same scholarship programs. You could connect with the speakers and recruiters from our club meetings or other club meetings you attend. Like I mentioned it before, but we had 2 people that graduated last year who reached out to the recruiter from Paramount that we had a meeting with, and then now they both work there. So that's really cool. Attendees of the same event, whether it be like a conference, a competition, a hackathon, any event you go to. And then I know Club Fair passed already, but you could connect with recruiters or other students that you see in line because, you know, they're trying to get the same positions as you, so they're probably, you know, on the same like mindset as you, that you would want to see them on your feed. You could also add a note to connection requests. You probably don't have to do it for like people from the same school because they'll see that you're from the same school. But like the speakers and recruiters, you should probably add a note so they don't think you're someone like random. I don't know if you could do it on mobile, but you could do it on the computer. Just when you click to connect with them, it's gonna pop up another thing to add a note. Or if you have LinkedIn Premium, I think you can do it on mobile. I wouldn't know. You could see everyone that looks at your profiles.
I feel like that's why most people do it, they say it's just like, oh, I
Yeah.
Yeah, that one
Spying on
person
me.
that viewed my profile and I don't. Like the one person from some random forensics company out in India.
Oh. Okay, so post ideas. The more obvious ones being a new job or a promotion. Also, if you earn a certification, you should post about that. If you attend a conference, that's good to post about, putting like pictures, saying anything you've learned from like one of the workshops. Could attend a competition. You guys are free next Tuesday. There's a Python competition with one of our friend clubs.
The hackathon was it tomorrow, right?
Yes. So if you attend a hackathon, yes.
1 to 6 p.m.
Yes, if you guys are interested, we have mini hack tomorrow. The registration link is on our Discord, I believe. Yeah, it's a 5-hour hackathon just to get you guys used to that. Maybe we could talk about it afterwards. I don't know if that group wants to talk about it. Do you guys want to talk about it? I don't know.
We do it afterwards.
We do it afterwards. Well, you're in luck. That's me. Okay, yeah, you guys should connect with me. You could scan that and connect with me, or just look up my name. What? Look how cute they are. And yeah, you guys should connect with people around you in the club room. Or on Zoom. You guys can put your links in the chat. Yes, add each other on LinkedIn. Or even just like make your LinkedIn and already get connections through here. Couldn't be that hard to set up. Huh? Yes. Okay. So I went through that kind of quickly, but there was also not that much to talk about with LinkedIn. But are there any questions? Yes.
What's the favorite justice part?
Huh?
Like what justice?
Like
Like in general?
I guess so. I don't know. Yeah. Also, you guys can like, a lot of people don't know this. You could edit your little link thing. So through here, because usually it adds like a bunch of random numbers right after your name, but you could get rid of that. So that's fine.
Can we look up? Oh, wait.
Okay.
I didn't realize you can get verified just by adding your email.
Yeah,
It should really make that.
I know, right? Like I looked at my profile, I was like, when was I verified? And it was like, because you added your CPP email. I was like, okay. CS.
How do you, how do you make that good about me?
How to make
I feel like my
a
about me kind of strange.
Same with ChatGPT.
you could use ChatGPT for it, but do you want to put all of your information there? I don't know. So I kind of did it like how you would do an elevator pitch, where you just say like, "Hi, I'm Kayla," but like I don't know, that one's kind of weird in your LinkedIn because they could see your name right there. But yeah, just say a little bit about yourself, what if you're in school, what you're currently doing.
Wait, can we go to ChatGPT really quick? Let's just like, do it, like, I wanna know how good it is.
How do I move this?
I feel like, yeah, we're thinking now.
What?
I was so like.
Oh, is this what it looks like? Okay, log in. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Double verification.
I
Triple
know.
verification.
Me. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, but then yeah, so the about me, your name, your background, what you're doing right now. You could put your goals. That's cute. What you're currently learning, and then yeah, call to action that you should connect with me. There's a chat right now. Yes. Okay, I don't know if you want me to click on it during this. Yes.
Do you recommend connecting with people, only people like you know, or do you like recommend like seeing someone from your school and just like mass applying to everyone?
Yes, I do.
I would say connect with people that you know. What? Huh?
Mr. Beast, you're not connected with Mr. Beast.
Do I want to be connected with Mr. Beast? Well, like obviously you're not gonna know, like personally know everyone that you're connected with. Like I don't personally know all 700, but it's better to cater your feed to like, you know, computer science or like engineering kind of topics. Yes.
Just see that just generated a question like how.
Because it's chocolate, it's only less than 5 centimeters.
Wait, what?
So how did you get all of those connected?
It's kind of like what I've mentioned in here, where some people it's from the same school, some people from the same scholarship program. And then also I reach out to a lot of speakers and recruiters for the club. So I connect with them there. From when I used to do hackathons, I connect with people there. Yeah.
I had about like 40.
Okay.
I need to rebuy on my.
So yeah, you guys could connect with each other. I don't know if there are any other questions. Okay, now you you want to talk about mini hack? What do you mean no? You organize it.
Who's it registered for mini hack tomorrow?
Oh.
So if you're like new to programming, or if you just want to have like an extra project on your belt, we're having like a mini hackathon. It'll be in like it'll basically be all on the 3rd floor, and we're gonna help. If you don't know Python, we're gonna help you like get up to speed with Python. Along with that, we're gonna teach you how to use OpenAI's API, which costs money, but for the event, we're like buying the credits for you guys, or we're giving you like a secret key, so you guys can use API for free. So if you guys just want to like come pull for vibes, that's pretty cool. That's like cool. There will be free food.
I'm gonna probably not probably have to go miss.
Yeah, that's cool. You can just come anytime. But make sure to check in because the check-in form will come in like an hour, like around 12 o'clock. It will be available like for the whole hackathon, but you have to check in before coming into the event.
I'll be on the Discord.
Or did you register for it already?
Yeah, that's well.
You'll probably get an email from Emily. If you have any more questions, you can just like ask me or them.
Yeah. And then make sure you guys register because I know we also have an interest form. So don't get those confused. But, yeah. Any other questions? I don't think so. If that's it. Do we have any questions in chat?
We're like spam set like spam setting up there.
You literally have 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. I know some people came in late. If you haven't yet, you can sign in.
I feel like the auto might be pretty popular.
It could probably give you like, they probably give you.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
And yeah, that's it for the meeting. If you haven't yet, you could sign in. There's not much to say about LinkedIn. Thank you. Right? Okay, thank you for joining the Zoom. I see y'all already. Thank you.
Like 40 pieces of candy. So and then talk about that. They're replacing it. No, I'm part of the club, but technically.
Yeah, we're in the club right now. Wait, so you 40 people?
I had a lot.
But like what?
Huh?
Good talk.
But that's where I bought it.
Thank
I'm not even like,
So sure.
where's the Hummer? I was supposed to be.